If you're looking to upgrade from regular table salt, Celtic Sea Salt is a great option. Naturally harvested and packed with minerals, it offers more than just a great flavor. Celtic Sea Salt has been a trusted name in unrefined sea salt since 1976. They use traditional methods to naturally sun-dry and hand-harvest their salt, preserving its essential minerals and trace elements. The result? A high-quality, mineral-rich salt that enhances both taste and nutrition. Plus, all of their salts are kosher certified. There are a few different types to choose from depending on how you want to use it. First, the light gray Celtic Sea Salt. This is a classic, unrefined version with a slightly moist texture and bold flavor. It's great for general cooking and seasoning. Next, we have the fine ground Celtic Sea Salt. This is a more convenient option if you prefer a finer texture. This is perfect for everyday use, from sprinkling on meals to mixing in recipes, just what I need. Finally, the Mackay Celtic Sea Salt. Harvested from deep ocean waters, this one contains a higher concentration of those trace minerals and has a smooth, delicate taste. Perfect as a finishing salt on those finer dishes. Each one of these salts brings something unique to your kitchen. Whether you're looking for a bold flavor, easy to use texture, or want a way to level up your dish with ease, Celtic Sea Salt has you covered. Check out the links in the description below to learn more and shop for your perfect salt. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more wellness and kitchen essentials. Thanks for watching.